Michael Cohen, President Trump's former personal attorney, pleaded guilty to criminal charges on Tuesday. The crimes involve illegal campaign contributions, tax evasion, and bank fraud. Some of these crimes have nothing to do with President Trump, but others are directly related to Cohen's work as a self-described fixer for him. Here are 2 ways Cohen's plea deal could impact the president. First, Cohen pleaded guilty to making and coordinating illegal campaign contributions. This has to do with payments to 2 women. One is Cohen's $130,000 hush money payment to former porn star Stormy Daniels, a story the Journal broke back in January. Just weeks before the election, and right after the release of the Access Hollywood tape, Cohen wired Daniels $130,000 to stay silent about her alleged fling with Trump. Trump has previously denied the encounter. By pleading guilty to the charge, Cohen is acknowledging that the payment was made to help Trump's campaign, which makes the payment illegal. Under federal law, an individual can only give up to $5,400 to a candidate's campaign per election cycle, and those contributions have to be reported. Then there's another payment that Cohen pleaded guilty to coordinating. This one has to do with former Playboy playmate Karen McDougal, who alleges she had an affair with Trump.
As the night ended, we were intimate.
Trump has previously denied the encounter. Back in 2016, the National Enquirer's parent company, American Media, bought the rights to McDougal's story, and then they never ran it. Cohen is admitting to coordinating that payment. Cohen is now saying that for both payments, he acted at the direction of the candidate, Donald Trump, directly implicating his former boss for the first time in a scheme to violate campaign finance laws. Trump has previously denied wrongdoing and said he didn't know about the payment to Stormy Daniels.
Did you know about the $130,000 payment to Stormy Daniels?
Secondly, Cohen pleaded guilty to crimes involving bank fraud and tax evasion. He admitted to concealing $4.1 million in income to avoid taxes, and he admitted to lying to a financial institution.
He failed to disclose more than $14 million in debt that he had, and as a result of that concealment, he obtained that $500,000 line of credit, which he would not have been entitled to had he been candid and honest.
As the Journal reported, Cohen has said that home equity line of credit was used for the hush money payment to Stormy Daniels. It's unclear if Trump even knew about these crimes, but they carry serious penalties for Cohen, and experts say that could pressure Cohen to cooperate with other cases involving Trump to reduce his sentence. So even though his plea deal is not a cooperation agreement, Cohen could still benefit from working with prosecutors in other ongoing investigations. President Trump weighed in. He tweeted, "If anyone is looking for a good lawyer, I would strongly suggest that you don't retain the services of Michael Cohen." Cohen is set to be sentenced in December.